Yeah, it's about to start. I was trying to finish my dinner in time. I couldn't finish it. I'm sad.
I guess we have to stay with the main ball. Fuck, man.
Why?
Because he said the other three groups are playing on the breeze side.
They're playing on the what?
We're playing on 6, Jacker. You're gonna have to deal with it.
6 side. We're not on the fucking mountains anymore.
Why?
That's what Load said, bro. Relax.
Bro, Lowe's is so loud today.
I really don't want to be just grow.
I'm about to get stacks.
Yeah.
There we go.
I'm on Ghost right now. I'm gonna freeze him.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna Devo.
I'm getting griefed.
Trying to get into the ball.
Okay.
Hold on, speed going out. No heal, 4 seconds.
Oh fuck! I just got clapped
I'm
hard by
trying
something.
blessing lucky. This guy's getting fucking healed. One Agile right now. He's low.
Bless it on the spud.
I'm on Dallo.
Well done on you, 19.
I'm gonna have to go fucking bow for
Damage on
this.
you.
I couldn't kill anyone, man.
He's going for the cap.
That's fine. That's fine. Trace is actually trying to blast me right now. Look at him. Jacker, don't let the retard kill me. Dead. Cervex, 1 stone.
Should be heal cut.
Okay.
We're running straight at it.
Pull down speed's going out.
Don't stack me, don't
Oh,
stack.
you died right away. Fuck.
I gotta swap builds.
Yep.
They're all stacking. I'm just gonna go bow staff.
I got a Devo here.
Yep.
Okay, good Devo, good Devo. Back up a little bit, back up a little bit. Stay behind Nasty right now. Kill these fucking noobs right here. We got him. Good. Clean up the point.
Okay.
Clean up the point. I wanna kill these fucking tanks and shit. Kill this red
Don't
fact.
DPS me here. This healer. Kill okay.
This guy's killable. Red in
Nice.
fact.
Kruber on point. Another healer.
Red
Nice.
boys. Call it out who we see. Stay on this 6 side right here.
They're on our back line. A lot of guys pushing our back line. Where you came from?
Range
Try to
him.
pulse him.
Should I stay on the point? Nasty, just stay on. Yeah.
Yeah, just center point. Remember, we're
Walking
left
towards
side of the
one.
wall.
Stay seven. Stay seven.
Yeah,
Stay
left side of the
seven.
wall, left side of the wall.
Got it.
Okay.
We're
Get back on the point. Get back right back on the point.
We're backing up.
Stay 7 still. Stay 7. Cool
I'm
downs.
Devoing now.
Pull down speed
I'm
going
gonna
out.
fight right on loads.
Yeah, tornadoed. Budweiser.
Oh my god, bro, I'm just getting griefed, man.
Fear.
These guys on our back line.
This Richie guy. This bow staff.
I'm trying to hit you guys.
I'm on it.
I'm on Rouse right now.
Melee evasion on him.
Okay. One infallible.
Going for mana.
Dallo again.
I'm gonna pull the
Healer.
healer out of that circle.
He's heal cut.
I'm stunning him.
Yeah,
I'm back.
Hit Zappy. Don't hit Zappy. Leave Zappy.
Oh my god, you did.
Yeah, spinner. Fucking hate getting focused, man. It's just so stupid.
Bro, that was bushways. My bad.
Didn't really notice your health dip right away.
All good. When I get close, can you guys walk towards me when I'm coming back because I might get griefed here.
Yep. I'll
pretty
pull
long
you up
one
to
back.
the high ground if you just come this way. I think you're gonna be fine. They're like positioning really far away.
Okay.
Jacker, get in the thing.
I gotta get in.
I don't see it right now, but I'm assuming
that's
it's
fine,
the.
It's this entire square.
It's
Yeah.
the shape thing. Yeah, like the ruins looking thing.
Nice. I just got a rare pure gold. How many people do we have? 57.
Yeah.
Just stay behind Nasty. Stay behind Nasty. Try to
I'm
hook.
grabbing
Yep.
this guy.
Oh, he resisted. I saw it.
Yeah. Someone trying to wrap your. This is spear
Yeah.
dagger.
Just leave him. Just leave him. Just leave him. Our ball. We're too far from the ball right now. Stay. Keep the spread. Keep the spread.
Bro, Atreus fucking loves me, man.
I got a Devo here.
Just back up a little bit. Back up.
Hold on, speed's going out now.
I need a charge.
Oh, big lump, big lump, big lump. Unload.
Damage on 19.
Can't damage anyone, man.
I'm in tornado.
Yeah. I'm pushing through. I'm pushing all the way through. I'm pushing all the way through to the back line.
Okay, we're
Am I
going.
rushing right now?
What was it?
Yeah.
I'm on this
Get
guy.
these guys down.
This healer. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We're going all the way, dude. All the way. Literally all the way. Kill every single player.
He's heal cut.
Take him to the safe zone.
Healer dead.
Kill. CC ball buzzer. Blow him out.
Really thought.
Nice. Dead.
Convert then.
I'm gonna heal cut this guy. Fucking kill this guy. He's unkillable.
Oh,
Good shit.
somehow targeted the fucking mob. Oh, this was easy.
Wow. It's a clock. Well done, loads. Good shit.
I stopped eating my wings for this. That's crazy.
All right, so he said we're gonna bait the push at first, so don't push anything. Like, don't waste your big cooldown first.
Look, there's some from 8.
Yeah, I see him.
Not all of them though.
I guess I'm the only person with big cooldowns, really.
Should we be looking back here?
Stay. Just stay. Look towards 7, but stay here right now. Look towards 7.
Yep.
Look towards 7. Look towards 7.
Yep.
In the air.
I got a Devo here.
Good Devo. Cooldown speed's going out. Blessed on 19.
The fuck did you get over there,
I'm
Kane?
constantly just getting grief, man. Behind us. Big ball behind us.
Yeah.
But yeah, kill the guy in front of us. Kill the guy in front of us. Alright, we're turning around.
Got frozen. Can you just pull me when he? Once I'm gonna just.
Blessed on 19.
Yeah, these guys want me bad, man.
Well, I'm dying too.
I have no cooldowns for you here.
Getting so low spun right now. This guy's weak on my point. On point.
Cool on me.
I have Devo in 5. If we're still
Stand 6. Stand 6.
I'm knocking everybody up right here.
Bastion. I got a Devo.
Go to 4. Go to 4. Wherever 4 is.
Cervex. He's weak.
Cooldown speed's going out. I'm a little far from you.
You're in there.
I'll pick 1 point.
On this side. Don't go past 6. Don't go past the point. Just stay right here.
Yep.
All right. Now we're going in. Now we're going in.
Pool unlucky at the front. Oh no, I'm gonna wait.
I'm sad.
Go Baker. Nice.
Going for mana.
Yeah, look at the zone now that it's not bugged out anymore. You guys see like where the thing is? It's basically
Yep, just on the
rubble.
square.
Yep.
Step on zone. Stay on zone.
It's the shape of the ruins.
Just hard sit on zone and reduce their cap. All right, we're still with loads.
Yep.
Following.
I still want to stay, play this side though.
Yeah.
I mean, our 6 and 7's working.
Good heals right there, boys. I had like 7 guys jump on me. Yeah, we're hitting one. We're hitting one quick.
Damage on 19 to start. You got the Evo for this fight?
Don't burn anything big yet. Just okay.
Yeah, no, not yet,
Yeah.
not yet. I'm just
Yeah.
basking
Not
it.
yet.
Watch for the. Yep, this guy's
I
new.
grabbed.
Well,
Okay,
thank you.
popping Devo.
Cooldown speed's going out.
Nice.
Oh, we got good op.
In the air.
I can't last hit anyone. All my shit's getting yoinked.
Pulling all this.
We're turning around. One guy named Don't Miss right now. Getting healed. Hard other side. Hard other side.
Can you pull? Never mind. He's good.
What's up? Can we stay here on this point? Can we stay here on this point? Stay
Yes.
towards our ball, but on this side, this corner of it.
Kill fucking Harpley.
I'm on top of you, Vaughn.
Stealth.
I'm no heal a couple seconds.
I'm flash trapping.
Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Shields out.
I got feared. Fuck, I'm dead.
Blessed on 19.
Frozen again, bro. These guys are so cringe.
Oh my god, my health.
I'm fucking knocking some people up. Too much going up.
A lot of dumbasses on me right now.
Bastion's
Trying
out.
to go out.
I'm gonna
Trying to
Devo here
double
too.
wall I'm feared actually.
Oh my god, they pushed you off. It didn't get
I'll
to
be fine, I'll
you.
be fine, I'll be fine.
Run past it. Run past. On the.
Going on loads.
I'm a minute.
Trying to get there, I'm just getting griefed.
Blessed on Jacker. Just want to keep him healthy.
One ball buzzer, lucky.
No, I'm
Down here. Nice.
I'm gonna try to pro this guy. Okay, I got him. Stunning.
There's a group of like 4 behind us. Good plans. I need to go for mana.
Chasing these guys? We chasing these guys? Bluesy?
Just leave it. Just leave it.
Yeah.
Hop skills. Fuck skills. He can live.
Why does he have 14k health?
I tried to talk to him about that yesterday.
He's running like a straight cooldown speed build.
At some point, you're tankier when you get more health.
Yeah.
People
I mean,
are already
it
hitting you
doesn't worry
for
about
10
dying
damage
anyways.
a hit.
No one likes hitting that class anyway.
I'm gonna push up a little bit. Mind him to back up. Just
Yeah. Damage on 19.
take space. And we're gonna back up. Take space. And we're gonna back up. Good. I need fucking stackies.
Watch out for this, Healer's coming. Nice, dead.
I'm gonna
Plus one
Bastion early
19.
here.
Oh,
I'm fine.
I'm going in on Vaughn.
Devo.
Cooldown
Devo
speed's
out.
pull on all of us.
There's a ton of them here on
Someone
this.
goes right now?
Damage on 19.
Cervex. Bro, this guy's fucking solo spearing me, man.
Being fucking pulled back in. Want you.
I back up a little bit.
Fuck.
We gotta watch our stack a little bit.
Yeah.
Bro, I can't kill anyone. I have 60 assists right now.
Oh, I'm fucking in the air. Couldn't say
Yeah, all good.
This fucking.
You guys love pulling me back in. Oh, I tried pulling
Bastion
you.
going out. Not soon enough, sorry.
Plus it on Roar. Should be fine.
Zappy? No, don't hit that guy. Do not fucking hit that
That's
guy.
their shot color, yeah.
Beers. Oh,
I got a
Walk towards
Devo out
one.
for you
Walk
here.
towards one.
Dropping,
Walk towards
dropping.
one.
Oh my god, they're
I
fucking
Devo'd
chasing
you.
me.
oh 19.
Q-late.
Fuck.
I just they send 5 guys on me every time for some reason.
Because you're high on the kill rank, bro.
Go for mana.
He'll cut that guy. Good shit. Good shit.
Yup.
I think I'm about to get farmed.
I'm pushing one. Get buffs. Get buffs.
Yeah.
Devo's down.
I'm in.
Pack on res here. Oh my god, your health.
No,
Yeah,
he.
that's what I thought was gonna happen.
That guy
was
saw
not
that way
before.
too late.
Yeah. That's why I said
Plus
that
it
a
on-
couple
oh,
lives
yeah.
ago.
Alright. We weren't together enough there.
I don't understand why I can't hit anyone.
Because they all have stupid ass melee evasion. Game is ass.
Yeah, I don't think I've missed with my fireball. It's just useless playing staff dagger though. You can't hit anybody. Hit one player at a time.
So many of them on you right now.
Trying to save any cooldowns so you guys get back.
Yeah, I have my Devo
Yeah,
up.
I'm close now, but I might get farmed again. Yeah, this guy's trying to farm me again.
Stunned.
Yeah. Can you pull me?
Oh,
He's,
Getting
he's
hard to
buried.
can't pull on prone.
Brown.
Stupid.
It's fine.
I was trying to wait till it ends, but apparently there's a
Kill
little
Silla,
bit
kill
of
Silla.
a linger
Kill fucking Silla.
animation.
You still cut. Yeah, run him on side. I'm gonna flash wave right on loads.
Okay. I'm gonna Devo out here.
No. Yeah, right where Lucky is, I'm gonna flash wave.
Cooldown speed's going out. Shields up.
I popped everything.
Blessing on Spud.
Sorry, I got kind of deep there. I'm trying to come back. No, I was gonna say no way we let that guy get away, right?
I got nothing more for you. You have blessed barrier.
Heal Healer, I heal him.
Mine next.
I'm ping, I'm ping.
I'm going deep.
Pop the shield. And he died. Nice.
He got, he was
On
using
Taylor
the
Zing?
left one. When
Dead.
there's-
Pool.
Kill Cleo, fuck this guy. He's heal cut. I'm getting griefed, man.
Kill that guy?
Yeah, it's dead.
Back up, Kane. Back up, Kane.
Yeah, I'm back.
Going for mana before this fight. I got CD speed up.
You're
too.
good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Still on stone.
Guardians next fight.
Yeah.
The Guardians and Remedies.
Jacker, can you get mana? Oh, fuck. Too late. Too late. Too late.
Well on Jacker for mana.
Popping everything right now.
Yep.
I'm just gonna go deep.
I'm just got jumped
Blessing on
on.
19. Cooldown speed going out.
Backing up. I'm backing up.
Cervix. One shot. He's getting healed. We got one shot on 1 point. Fucking spinners on me, man.
Pool on you.
Watch
Hunter,
this.
Hunter.
Hunter.
One shot.
Hunter.
Kill knock. Weak. Weak on point. Nice.
Remedies.
One
That's
point,
Guardians. I
one
need
point, one
everything.
point.
Evo going out.
Big on point right now.
Pool on
5
me.
seconds, I got CD speed.
Watch every on point. It's massive. Hit every player. I'm on
Frozen
ghost, I'm on ghost,
again,
I'm on
man. These guys are
Well,
griefing
that's
me.
going out.
Ghost. Ghost. One shot. He's one shot. Have no skills. Up nice. I got Flash Raven 20. Get fucking Atreus. Dead.
Well on Jacker. Just paid for mana.
GG.
Easy fight.
Yeah, that was pretty easy.